Welcome to Innovate Education channel. We will continue our discussion of answer keys and solution to Karnataka TET 2023 Maths and Science problems. So we are up to question number 108. Here alpha, beta and gamma are three zeros of a cubic polynomial with alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3. That is sum of roots is equal to 3 and sum of product of roots taken 2 at a time is equal to -1 and product of the three roots is equal to -3. Then he is asking us the polynomial. What is the polynomial? So let us just analyze this question and then we will move on to our solution. See, alpha plus beta plus gamma. We generally know that sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, and sum of product of roots taken 2 at a time is equal to c by a, and product of the three roots is equal to minus d by a. Why so? Let us see it from the perspective of the general form of a cubic polynomial. The general form of a cubic polynomial is ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma, according to the numerical, alpha plus beta plus gamma is given to be 3. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is given to be 3. Alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha is given to be -1, and alpha beta gamma is given to be -3. Given to be -3. So basically, it's generally it is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma equal to 0. So basically the answer is x cube minus 3x square minus x minus minus plus 3 equal to 0. So which option is correct? X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. That option is correct. X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. That is for 108. Option number 3 is correct. Let's move on to the next question. Let's move on to the next question. That is question number 109. The probability of picking a blue marble at random from a bag containing 3 red and 2 blue marbles is what we need to pick. What we are picking? Blue marble. Out of what kind of marbles? 3 red and 2 blue marbles. So we will first write 3 red, 2 blue marbles are there. So in total, n of s, number of sample space 5. Number of favorable outcomes, we need blue marble. So number of favorable outcomes 2. So probability of favorable outcome, that is probability of blue is equal to number of blue marbles divided by total number of marbles. That is number of blue marbles is 2, total number of marbles is 5. So that is the probability. Let's see which option we are going to get. That is the first option. So the answer for this is first option, that is 2 by 5. Let's move on to question number 110. Ratio of volumes of two cylinders when their radii are in the ratio 2:3 and heights are in the ratio of 3:2. Let's see. Two cylinders. Ratio of volumes of two cylinders he is asking. When the radii are in the ratio 2:3 and heights are in the ratio 3:2. Let's discuss this question. Volume of two cylinders, that is V1 is equal to pi R1 square H1, V2 is equal to pi R2 square H2. Volumes of two cylinders. Now one more detail is given. R1 by R2 is equal to, sorry, R1 by R2. Ratio of radii is 2:3. Ratio of height is 3:2. Ratio of radii is 2:3. Ratio of height is 3:2. Ratio of radii is 2:3. Ratio of heights is 3:2. Let's see how it pans out. Ratio of volume V1 to V2 is equal to pi R1 square H1 by pi R2 square H2. Now let's see. Pi gets cancelled. R1 by R2 is 2 by 3 its square into H1 by H2 is 3 by 2. So it remains 2 by 3 cancels. 2 by 3 cancels with 3 by 2. Only 2 by 3 is remained. So ratio of volumes is 2 by 3. Let's see which option we are going to get. That is third option, that is 2 by 3. The correct option is, for question number 110, the correct option is third option, that is 2 by 3. Next, nth term of two different arithmetic progressions are 4n minus 15, 2n plus 21. Then the common term that occurs in both is there. Common term that occurs in both is there. Which term we need to find out? Nth term are given to be 4n minus 15, 2n plus 21. Let's see. So the question is, an1 is equal to 4n minus 15. an is equal to 2n plus 21. 2n plus 21. We don't know which term will be common to both. It means an is equal to an. The common terms means both will be equal. So we have to just equate these two and we will get the value of n. That term will be common to both. 2n is equal to 36, n is equal to 18. So 18th term will be common to both, that is which option? Let us see. 18th term, that is first option. So 111, the first option, that is 18th term. Let's see the next question, that is 112. A12 B x3 C 6y. Let's just take this here. 112. Question number 112. A12 B x3 C 6y B3, 5 are vertices of a parallelogram. A12 B x3 C 6y D 3, 5. See, we know one thing. Okay, the diagonals bisect each other. So we'll try to find out a point O which we'll try to find out a point O, and let's see what will be its coordinates then. O is midpoint of AC. O is midpoint of AC, so the coordinates of O, that is P comma Q, will be what? 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, comma y plus 2. Again, taking B and D, P comma Q will be x plus 3, comma x plus 3 by 2, x plus 3 by 2, comma 3 plus 5, 8 by 2, that is. Now equating these two, what you will get? 7 by 2 is equal to x plus 3 by 2, that is nothing but x is equal to 4, and y plus 2 is equal to 8, y is equal to 6. So value of x and y is actually 4 comma 6. So the question number 112, the options are, fourth option is correct, 4 comma 6. Next, let's move on to question number 113. It's an pedagogy question. The process involved in mathematical proof is induction, deduction, analytical, synthetic. Mathematical proof is deductive process. So the option is 2. Next, in mathematical teaching, a scientist who invented and developed the content of calculus is Newton and Leibniz. Option number 1. Question number 15. Identify correct option from the following in relation to mathematics learning. A. Derives a result from apparently unrelated results. B. Can be adopted in solving problem of similar kind. Derives a result. Mathematical learning derives a result from apparently unrelated results. derives a result from unrelated results. That can't be possible. If you are trying to derive results, the earlier results have to be related. So A is false. Can be adopted in solving problem of similar kind. B is true. A is false, B is true. A is false, B is true. 116. The higher aim of school mathematics is to develop number operations, measure the area, calculation of decimal and percentage, to pursue assumption to logical conclusions. Fourth option. Fourth option. 17. The complex mental process of objective necessary for judging a material is complex mental process of objective necessary for judging a material is understanding, applying, analyzing. Actually, it is evaluating. Option 4. The component is not included in mathematical curriculum. Content assessment. Ah, that is the fourth one. Language development is not related to mathematical curriculum. Next, an approach that organizes in teaching mathematics. Topic once presented should be completely exhausted in the same class. Topic once presented should be completely exhausted in the same class. Spiral approach, topical approach, unitary approach, integrated approach. It is the third one, that is unitary approach. The method used to prove statements sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 by drawing different triangles is deductive. So this concludes mathematical part. The next time we will see the answer key for science. Keep watching Innovate Education channel for more such videos.